I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Wait, I put it down. Jackaban, them I call me number one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pluck my frontal to achieve a natural looking hairline. And the hair that I'll be using in this video is from Ali Grace hair, and this is their body wave texture. So I'll leave all the details of this hair in my description box below, but for the meantime, I'm going to do an unboxing of this hair. Like I said before, it's from Ali Grace hair. As you can see, the packaging that it came in. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box, and it does have a really natural looking hairline. The knots are so thin, like these are real single knots, and when you bleach this type of knots, you're going to get a very natural looking effect. So I'll go ahead and bleach this hair off camera, and I'll come back to show you guys the plucking process.
The money them a turn up. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up.
This is after bleaching the knots and washing the hair. This is what the texture currently looks like. The hair is very soft, and bleaching the knots of this hair was super easy and fast because the knots are really small, which is important. So after placing the wig on the canvas head, I went ahead and applied my wax stick, and then I'll go ahead and use the hot comb to flatten the hairline so I can see what I'm plucking. This is how I like to do it. You can use water to do it also, but this is just how I prefer to do mine, and it works perfectly well for me.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
After using the hot comb to lay the hair backward, you can see how natural the hairline already looks, but I'm going to make it look more natural, and I'll be using a tweezer to pluck from behind. So I'm not plucking directly from the front or from the hairline, but I'm plucking behind the hairline, and I'm just using that natural hairline at the front as a guideline so that I don't do too much of plucking. So you want to make sure that you really take out the knots, not break the hair, but you are taking out the knots, because if you don't take out the knots, you will just be wasting your time. So make sure you're taking out the hair, you're taking it out and not breaking it. And as I'm plucking, I'll be combing through the hair as well to see my progress. So just take your time. Plucking of hair takes time. It's not as fast as you see it on camera. It does take time, so you just have to take your time and gradually take out the knots one after the other. And you don't want to pluck in one section for too long. You just want to be going randomly into the hair, because you don't want to make a bald spot on your frontal. So this is my little progress so far.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Don't dada, fire can't cool me up on tire. Original Batman.
It's features.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I.
I ain't a bad man, I ain't the one to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail.
Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so.
I ain't a bad man, I ain't the one to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail.
Fire can't cool me, I'm on fire. But I don't kill me, I'm fire. Somebody said we are on fire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl system warning.
Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body.
Don't forget to comb through the hair while you pluck so you don't over pluck your frontal. So this is the amount of hair that I plucked from one side of the frontal. So right now I'm showing you guys the side that I plucked and the side that hasn't been plucked, so you can see the difference. But to me both looks good, so you can decide not to pluck. So I went ahead and coiled this hair using the T3 coiling iron. So guys, I'll be back to show you guys the final result after installing this wig.
Somebody said we are on fire.
It's VQs.
Original Batman.
Standard.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know.
So guys, the reason why I use the pins to hold the coils is for the coils to last longer. Because I noticed the hair wasn't holding coils as much as I wanted it to. So this is the next day and I'm taking down the pins so I can install my wig. And this is the final result. The coils are so bouncy and the hair is super soft. The hairline is looking really natural. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but in reality the hairline looked really natural. I did apply makeup on the lace to blend with my skin. So that's basically all that I did for this hair. Like I said before, this hair is from Ali Grace Hair. I will leave every details of the hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
My dealings, ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me.